4%, at least for the key indices, as you've been pointing out. 18,050 on the Nifty currently. Let's welcome Himanshu Gupta, VP Research at Globe Capital now for a technical check on the markets. Himanshu, the Nifty went to levels of 18,140, didn't sustain there. From that level, we've slipped about 90 points. What did you make of that? Or would you treat this dip that we're seeing from the top as a buying opportunity?
Very good afternoon to you, Rima. Well, I think the markets are not doing that bad, if you ask me honestly, because where we left the markets on Friday, it was 17,800 odd levels, and we were just on the verge of giving up that important support zone. So I would just like to highlight 3 data points here. Markets have rebounded from an important support of 17,800, which is actually a potential double bottom support for the markets. Data point 2, we were extremely oversold on the PCR, both on Nifty and Bank Nifty. And thirdly, 18,000 was a very heavy call writing as for the Friday's closing data. And today, comfortably, we are sustaining above that level. Not only that, we have seen call unwinding in the 18,000 call writers, and strong put writing is happening around 18,000 odd levels. So I think, given the fact that the markets actually ran into its 20 and 50-day exponential moving average around 18,150 odd levels, so some kind of profit booking is very much expected, and it's on the very much healthy. But I would like to believe that if we were able to close above 18,000 in today's session, there is a possibility that in the days to come we might break out above that 18,150 today's highs, and we might head higher towards 18,250, 300 odd levels. So for fresh trades, I think a dip towards 18,000 spot levels is a good opportunity for me to enter longs. Keep a stop loss below 17,950, and on the upside, 18,150, 18,250 are the near-term targets for me.
Okay, all right, Himanshu. Thank you for that. That's about the index level trades that you're talking about. What about individual stocks?
Yeah, sure. So on individual stocks, first thing is that today's rally has been a very broad-based rally. We have seen participation from IT, metals, and autos. And amidst auto, I think Ashok Leyland is looking strong on the charts, and I think it's on the verge of giving us good breakout. So currently trading around 150, 50 odd levels. One can initiate longs on Ashok Leyland for target price of 160, 165 from a near-term perspective. Maintain a stop loss below 147, and the long can be initiated in Ashok Leyland. Second one is a mid cap from a cash segment. It's KEC International. That stock has given a very strong breakout in today's session, currently trading around 511. A long can be initiated here for a short-term targets of 550, and a stop loss below 495 can be placed in KEC International.
Okay, thank you very much for that. Let's get to our segment, Mid-Cap Movers then. Vivek is here at the big wall. Vivek?
Well, good afternoon. Well, it's a session where you're actually seeing the broader end of the markets underperform, the benchmark indices. But despite that, some stocks today are seeing quite a bit of a breakout rally. First on our list, Godfrey Phillips, today at a fresh 52-week high. In the last couple of months, the stock has actually re-rated significantly, and today again up almost 7% on very strong volumes. Kamdenu continues its surge higher, as well as IDBI Bank today. All these 3 stocks at fresh 52-week highs. On the moving forward, some of the stocks today that are moving up on very strong volumes. First up, we have Philatex India. After a while, we are seeing this particular stock break out with strong volumes. Ujjivan continues its move higher. Aether Industries, after a while today, up on very strong volumes, cooled off a little bit from the top, but continues its move higher. Laurus Labs today saw a very large block deal in this particular name. After that, the stock has seen a bit of buying activity. It's bouncing off the 52-week lows that it was trading at. On the other hand, some of the stocks today moving lower. Chem Plus Ambar down on very high volumes today. Equitas Small Finance Bank, some profit bookings seen here. And Stuffcraft today down almost 2.5%. Again, this is on quite high volumes.
Okay, thank you so much, Vivek, for that. So those are some stocks which are buzzing around in the broader markets. For now, we'll slip into a short break, and we'll be joined by Nitin Bavisi, who is the CFO at Ajmera Realty Infra, to discuss their Q3 business update.